In this guide, I'll show you how to fix it when your Joy-Con controllers are not connecting to your Nintendo Switch 2. So the first thing you want to do is simply try taking them off and putting them back on to ensure that they're seated properly. Now, assuming that didn't fix the issue, press System Settings on your home screen, then scroll down on the left sidebar and we're going to select System, and then you want to perform a system update. Now, if there is no update available, no worries. Either way, we're going to press and hold on the power button at the top, and then you want to wait for power options to appear and select it, and then you want to restart your console. Now, after your console is restarted with your Joy-Cons, try reconnecting it the normal way to see if it works. And if it doesn't, no worries, select controllers on your home screen, and then we're going to go to change grip/order, and then press and hold on the sync button on both of your Joy-Cons until you see the lights on the front of them start flashing. Now, it should say paired in the top left corner. If so, great. Simply press down on the left and right trigger and you'll be connected. Now what you want to do is go to System Settings once you're connected, and scroll down and select Controllers and Accessories, and then make sure to update your controllers. This guide was helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.